Category A programs are BOC Approved Provider Programs. Programs in this category are approved through BOC Approved Providers. Category A learning events can be synchronous or asynchronous and delivered in a variety of methods, such as the internet, podcasts, multimedia, and more. The minimum for Category A is 10 CEUs if 50 CEUs are due, or 5 CEUs if 25 CEUs are due. There is no maximum in Category A. ATs can do all Category A programs to complete their CE requirements. AT's Certificate of Completion for Category A programs will list the BOC logo and a statement of credit, including the number of CEUs the course was eligible for. ATs can also visit the BOC program directory on the BOC website to confirm if an activity qualifies for Category A. Category A programs also include the following: post-certification coursework from a Commission on Accreditation of Athletic Training Education, or CATI Accredited Athletic Training Post-Professional Program. A graduate of a post-professional degree may qualify if the scholarly product has a narrow focus of athletic training. Program faculty/speaker or author of Category A program. A residency or fellowship but needs to be a full year, and may be claimed in the reporting period when the residency or fellowship is completed. Author of a peer-reviewed journal article addressing patient-oriented research or translational research, and BOC Competence Assessment Modules and Quality Improvement Project.